Hi, my name is Hazem Gaber, and today we're going to learn about cryptocurrency. So, we're going to learn how to buy cryptocurrency because that's the first step in making money. So, in order to buy some crypto, you have to go to a website that like Coinbase. Coinbase is a online stock market for cryptocurrency, and then you got to verify your identity with them, and you can add a credit card, a PayPal account, or in Canada you can add a bank account, and then you transfer your money in. So in this case, I've transferred $200 Canadian, and they took like $6.86 in fees. And then I can just buy some Bitcoins or Ethereum or whatever crap they're selling today. See, they've got a whole ton of like coins, meme coins, all kinds of coins, and people can invent a coin, a cryptocurrency, and list it on a Coinbase just like a stock, but not really. But over here on the right side we can buy a coin. So if we want to buy Bitcoin, we can say how much do you want to spend. So you want to say you want to spend $10 Canadian. That'll give you point whatever Bitcoins, or you can flip this. See, I can buy any type of coin on here, and there's hundreds of them, and it'll tell you what you get. And so these coins are not backed by anything, but let's say I want to buy some Ethereum, so I can put in my $10 Canadian, and it tells me how much Ethereum I'm gonna get, and then I just put it in. I can also sell some Bitcoin. Now in my case, I've already got cash, $194, and I can convert that to Bitcoin. That's my other way because I've already deposited that. So let's say I want to buy, in this case I want to buy some Ethereum. So I'm going to buy, let's say $10 Canadian worth of Ethereum, which is $7 US. Then I get 0.001766632 Ethereums. And you'll note that the Ethereum price is changing live. Even though it's 1 in the morning here, the market trades 24 hours a day. And so the next thing you'll see is you can earn up to 2% back on your Ethereum. So if you hold Ethereum in your account, they use that Ethereum as what's called a proof of stake, and that allows the crypto miners to generate more Ethereum coins by staking your coins, and the only thing you have to do is agree to not spend the Ethereum. So if you're holding the Ethereum in your account, or the other types of cryptocurrency, you can earn between 2 and 10%. So I'm buying 10 Ethereums, so I put my order in, and if I go back here, I've now got crypto. I've got $9.72 worth of Ethereum. Of course, this number will change, but I can earn money on this Ethereum by staking it, and all I have to do is press start earning. And while the Ethereum is being staked, it cannot be traded or transferred. It cannot be sold or transferred, and it could take up to 13 days to get your Ethereum back. And so while Ethereum is being staked, if it fell in value, you could lose a lot of money. So say my Ethereum's worth $10 right now, it might only be worth $5 in 2 weeks. And so I could lose a lot of money here. So if I want to put a stake, I can do that, but there's going to be a significant hold on it. Now, if you want to trade even more advanced, you just press the advanced button, and this shows you a desktop, kind of like a Bloomberg terminal, but for the cryptocurrency, and you can see the crypto price live. So right now I'm looking at Bitcoins, but if I want to change, let's say to another currency like Ethereum. So here's the actual price of Ethereum in real time trading against the US dollar. So this is, so we see a spike here, and now it's falling. And then right here on the right side we can see our order book. So these are people who are actually these are actual trades happening in real time on this market. So people who are selling and people who are buying, and you can see the volume. So people are selling, tens of thousands of dollars of Ethereum every second. And now up here you can see like the total volume in the last 24 hours is $171 million in trades. So with the money that we have, we can actually buy right on the market. So we can put our limit price here of how much we want willing to pay for Ethereum, and we can put the amount that we want. So let's say I want 11, say I want point, I'm really poor right now, so I can only buy like a little tiny bit of Ethereum. So let's say I want to buy 4.001 Ethereums at the limit price. So I can, of course they take a fee, so I can just do that, and now boom, I've made my trade. Because say I think right now it's down like almost $80 from its peak. So I say I can buy, so if I bought $4,000 worth of Ethereum right now and then I sold it later, I could make $80. But now, even crazier, is we have derivatives. So the derivatives are what caused our economy to crash 10 years ago, 12 years ago. But in Canada we can't trade derivatives, but in the US you can do all kinds of wacky stuff. So you can bet on the on whether the Ethereum is going to go up or down, and you can make 10 times the money or 20 times the money of actual stock. And you can do that for almost any of these cryptos. There's 106 cryptos that you can trade here. And so if we go to portfolio, we can see our cash and our crypto, and we can see how much money. In this case, I've already lost 34 cents on my crypto trades. So we're off to a fabulous start, but yeah, if you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.